Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful bay leaf money spell. This simple yet effective spell is designed to attract financial abundance and prosperity into your life. Let's get started. For this spell, you'll need a few items. A bay leaf, known for its properties of attraction and prosperity. A green candle, representing wealth. A pen to write your intention. A small fireproof bowl. Some cinnamon for added energy and attraction, and a lighter or matches to light the candle. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. First, take the bay leaf and write down the amount of money you need or your financial goal. Be specific and clear. For example, you can write, "I attract $500," or "financial stability." Next, take the green candle and sprinkle a little cinnamon around its base. Cinnamon is known to enhance spells and draw in abundance. Light the green candle. As you light it, focus on the flame and visualize your financial goal coming to fruition. See the money flowing into your life and feel the joy of achieving your financial desires. Now, hold the bay leaf in your hands and concentrate on your intention. Feel the energy of your goal infusing the leaf. When you feel ready, say the following incantation. Money come to me, money flow to me, prosperity and wealth, so mote it be. Carefully place the bay leaf in the fireproof bowl and set it alight using the candle flame. As the leaf burns, visualize your financial goal manifesting. Imagine the smoke carrying your intention to the universe. Let the bay leaf burn completely. When it's done, you can extinguish the candle gently by snuffing it out, not blowing it out, to respect the energy of the spell. Finally, take the ashes from the bay leaf and, if possible, scatter them in your garden or a potted plant. This symbolizes planting the seeds of your financial intention and letting it grow. And that's it. With belief and positive energy, this bay leaf money spell will help attract financial abundance into your life. Remember to stay open to opportunities and take practical steps towards your goals as well. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more magical tutorials. Blessed be, and may abundance flow to you.